Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm, and I am the president and founder of Rahm Thomas University. I'm also a scientist, an inventor, a patent holder, an author, a mother, and I do a lot of other things too, just like the rest of you. We all have different skill sets. We all do different things. One of the reasons I think I'm here is because I have a mission to help through science to really provide solutions for this world. I want to ask other people like me to bond in this so that we can do this together. This is not a one-person thing. This is a multi-generational thing that we have to do together to provide better things for our children and our children's children. I want to discuss today one of the patents that I wrote that has to do with things like circadian rhythm, sleep patterns, and jet lag. I've traveled 87 countries. It's a lot of work. There's a lot of lack of sleep. I have jet lag. I have problems sleeping. I'm going to be very honest. My circadian rhythm really gets off, and I cannot manage things on some days. I take one of my products called Zero In because I made that product to really help with these things, and I also made other products too. I filed patents, not making claims on things, but providing solutions that we can have for our world so we can sleep. I want to read a little bit about this to you because some of it's kind of using big words, but I want to say it in a simple way, and I will be teaching classes on it at Rahm Thomas University and the International Science Nutrition Society, but I want to tell you guys a little bit about it today. So the present invention relates generally to dietary supplements, and specifically without limitation, it's a supplement that uses tryptophan, which really helps support the body. And basically, I'm trying to utilize different processes and different nutritional supplements, vitamins, minerals, plants, roots, and other things to really support the body's natural ability. I was able to stimulate certain compositions in this patent so that they could help people produce these things naturally by supporting the body. I've used certain aspects of this in different formulations and products that I've worked on at Bill & Coo, at the Root Brands, and Ella Pure. Why is this important? Without sleep, we can't really survive. Without our circadian rhythm being appropriate and on tune, we don't do as well. You know, you're supposed to get up before the sun rises or right when it rises and go to bed when it's dark. That's basically impossible for most of us in today's society. The particular products I worked on with this specific patent really help you get back to what you need to be as far as a human being and as far as an animal. I'm excited to teach this technology and to also help students learn how they can help future generations with the ability to help people sleep. I look forward to working with everyone on the project. If you want to learn more, please contact Rahm Thomas University.